Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can change the display language in Microsoft Edge. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So first is we need to open Microsoft Edge. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Edge. Click on it under the best match. Now maximize the Microsoft Edge window. Now once you're here, you need to look at the top right corner and here you will find this one, the three dots. So simply click on the three dots, scroll down and you will find settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply look for languages, this one. And here you will find languages. So websites will appear in the first language in the list that they support. So for now, my current language is English United States. So in order to change the language of your Microsoft Edge browser, that is the display language, just simply click on add languages. And here you can simply search for your language of preference or for the language that you can clearly understand. So it's up to you, and let me just show you. So let's say for example I'm going to change this into the Dutch Netherlands. So I'm just going to click on this box, the same thing for the language that you have chosen, and click on add. Now once this has been added, you need to click on the three dots that corresponds to the language that you have just added, and here you'll find this option, display Microsoft Edge in this language. Click on that and click on restart. And that's it. Now, if I go back or open a new tab and then close this recent tab, as you can see, if I click on the three dots, this is now in the Dutch language, Dutch Netherlands. So that's it. That's how you can easily change the display language in your Microsoft Edge. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.